Saint Flavian the Confessor, Archbishop of Antioch. February 16th. Archbishop Flavian of Antioch tirelessly defended Orthodox doctrine against heresy and courageously interceded with Emperor Theodosius to save his city from severe imperial retribution. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include threat of severe imperial retribution, including mass executions and destruction of a city. Saint Flavian, Archbishop of Antioch, lived in the 4th century, a period when the Church contended with significant challenges to Orthodox doctrine. Born around 320 AD into a prominent Antiochene family, Flavian dedicated his life to upholding the teachings of the Nicene Creed. His feast day is commemorated on February 16th. From his youth, Flavian demonstrated a steadfast commitment to the Orthodox faith. During the reigns of emperors who favored Arianism, when the episcopal see of Antioch was held by bishops who denied the full divinity of Christ, Flavian remained firm in his confession. As a layman, he did not waver. He gathered the faithful who adhered to Nicene orthodoxy, often holding services outside the city or in private homes. In this period, he worked closely with his friend Diodorus, who later became Bishop of Tarsus. Together, they organized the Orthodox community, ensuring that the true faith continued to be proclaimed and practiced. It was during these gatherings that they introduced the practice of antiphonal singing, where choirs sang in alternation. This tradition, originating in Antioch, subsequently spread throughout the Orthodox Church, enriching its liturgical life. The Church in Antioch, however, faced internal division, known as the Meletian Schism. The Orthodox community was split between the followers of Saint Meletius, who had been consecrated bishop in 360 and subsequently suffered repeated exiles, and the Eustathian party, a smaller group led by the presbyter Paulinus. When Saint Meletius reposed in 381, while presiding over the Second Ecumenical Council in Constantinople, a proposal was made to heal the schism by recognizing Paulinus as the sole bishop of Antioch. Despite this plan, the Council Fathers in Antioch elected Flavian to succeed Saint Meletius. This election, while reflecting the will of the majority of the Antiochene faithful, unfortunately prolonged the schism. The bishops of Rome and Alexandria continued to acknowledge Paulinus, leading to a period of strained relations between the Eastern and Western churches. This division persisted until after Flavian's own repose. Nevertheless, Flavian served as a beloved and effective pastor to the greater part of the Christian community in Antioch, governing his flock with wisdom and piety for over 2 decades. His actions demonstrated a deep pastoral care for the souls entrusted to him, even amidst the complexities of ecclesiastical politics. The most widely remembered event of Saint Flavian's archiepiscopacy occurred in 387 AD. Emperor Theodosius the Great had imposed a new tax, which the citizens of Antioch found oppressive. In a sudden outburst of anger, the people rioted, pulling down and desecrating the bronze statues of the emperor, the empress, and their sons. This act constituted high treason against the imperial authority. After the riot subsided, a profound fear gripped the city. The citizens understood that the emperor's response would be severe, potentially involving mass executions or the complete destruction of Antioch as a punishment for their rebellion. In this moment of extreme peril, the aged Archbishop Flavian resolved to intercede for his people. Despite his advanced age and physical infirmity, he undertook a journey to Constantinople through the winter months to plead for mercy. His decision to travel personally to the emperor, facing the hardships of the journey and the uncertainty of the imperial court, showed his unwavering commitment to his flock. During Flavian's absence, the presbyter St. John Chrysostom delivered a series of 21 homilies, known as On the Statues. These sermons served to comfort and admonish the terrified populace, calling them to repentance and reminding them of God's mercy as they awaited news of their city's fate. Upon reaching the capital, St. Flavian presented himself before Emperor Theodosius. He delivered a powerful address, appealing to the emperor's Christian conscience. Flavian reminded Theodosius that to forgive his subjects would be a greater victory than any military conquest, earning him honor not only among men but also from God in heaven. He urged the emperor to imitate divine mercy by pardoning those who had wronged him. Theodosius was moved by the archbishop's earnest plea and profound humility. He granted a full pardon to the city of Antioch, sparing it from imperial retribution. Saint Flavian returned to Antioch just before Pascha, bringing with him the joyous news of the emperor's forgiveness. His arrival was met with immense celebration and relief throughout the city. Through his pastoral courage and his willingness to stand before earthly power for the sake of his people, Saint Flavian manifested the love of Christ. He remained a faithful shepherd until his repose around 404 AD. His life stands as a testament to the defense of Orthodox truth and the exercise of compassionate pastoral care.